Hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 21 May 2021. Let's toggle this format. The program must accept a list of integer as an input. The program must print the output based on the following conditions. If the given integer of an integer present horizontally, then the program must print the list of integer vertically in reverse order. If the given list of integer present in vertically, then the program must print the list of integer horizontally in reverse order. Here, this is the given list which is present in horizontal order 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have to print this last, I mean, right to left format in a vertical direction. So it will be something like 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. But in this case, this is given in vertical order and the values are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. So we have to reverse this whole integer and we have to print this in a horizontal order. Then it will be something like 600, 500, 400, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right. Let's see in the programmatical way. For this case, we have no construction, right? Like constraints, right? N integer going to be there like that. So it's an infinite thing. We have to get input for t equal to input dot split off. So it will give you something called a list, right? So in this case, if I pass values with like in a horizontal manner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll have the list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the len of list is obviously more than 1. It's 5, right? So I'm going to make a condition. If len of t is greater than 1, just print the values inside t in a reverse order with the separation of new line. So if I do that, we'll get something 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in a vertical order. That's all we want for the first condition, right? So it's simple, we got it. But for the second condition, we have no idea how many elements are going to be passed. So if I blindly do something, okay, let's take these values as for second input. T equal to input dot split. If I just pass 5, it will stop here. You don't worry about the 4, 3, 2, 1, right? And the len of t is 1. So this condition won't be awake, but we have to get the rest of the element, right? For that I'm going to use a loop. I'm using while loop because I have no idea about the conditions. So it's something like while true, which is nothing but an infinite loop. T equal to input dot strip and print of t. So if I pass values like 4, 3, 2, 1, and at a certain point I have passing what? EOF value. See, at certain point we getting EOF error. This is an runtime error which is called as exception. So we are going to try this exception handling here. While okay, to store the values I'm going to take an empty list. So this value should be while true t equal to input dot strip L dot append of t, and then what, print t at the last, print L at the last. I can give this thing. So if I pass values like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the EOF, our list should contains these values, but it just interrupt the flow, right? You don't look for the next line if an exception is occurred. So to rectify that, I'm going to use try block here. Try this thing until you get an error except this exception EOF error. If you got this, break the loop. Before that, print values inside L in a reverse order. So if I do that, I'm passing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and finally EOF will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is because the list already contains this value. So if I initialize this ls empty list, we won't get this missed value. So let's make this program complete. First we are going to take the value. Okay, I'm going to write this in a pad because we don't need any interactive thing anymore. Here this is the t input dot split if len of t is greater than 1, just print t in a reverse order with the separation of new line. Else L equal to t of 0. The reason I am mentioning 0 here is we are getting the values as list, right? So it obviously only one value and that value should be in 0th index. That's why I'm just taking care of the value alone, not the list. So while true, t should be caps. While true, t equal to input dot strip, and then it should be inside a try block, right? Try this thing. L dot append of t except this EOF error, print if you got the EOF, print the values inside L in a reverse order with the separation of space. By default it will be there, so we don't have to worry about this, and then finally break the loop. That's it. So if I pass values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same wise, if I pass values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then EOF we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got it. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. We'll see you soon with something else. Bye.